going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today Rob, if you guys don't know who Rob is the one with the Focus ST. He got some bucket seats and brackets and I think a harness bar, so we're gonna install that today. So today I am going to be taking the wagon over there to Dallas's. So yeah, I haven't driven this thing for probably like 2 weeks. I drove it down the street. So my baby, you already know. Hopefully she starts. Oh, shh. Easy, boys, easy. Oh, you can't forget the TPS, boys. Yes, sir. Oh, she going on great, boys. Oh, I think the bumper fell off on that one. Yes, sir. She sure did fall off. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, hold up. That's how you put it on. To you new subscribers, this is my baby. She never gets driven, only to events, but she's my baby, guys. Sheesh. I need to give her a wash. Haven't washed her since Toyota Fest, so that was probably like a month ago. And then the sad sedan. Anyways, let's get to Dallas's and let's see what we're doing today. Well, we're doing Rob shit, but you know us. So I've been waiting out of Dallas's house for a minute because they just picked up another car for one of our coworkers. So let's see what car he got. Oh yeah, and then Dallas put on his drift kit. Well, the rear bumper stock, and then the HKS sides, and I think it's an L-tune front. But yeah, he got all that shit dilated yesterday. And yeah, this is Rob's ST that we're gonna put the bucket seat in. Oh, Iceyyyboyz out. Look, you got his bracket right there, chilling right there. Let's see. I think you can see the seat. The seat's back there, but yeah, this is his ST, y'all. You guys probably have seen it in the last videos, in a couple of videos actually. Look at this guy. That's Jerry, boys. He got a new car. Hey, bro. Hey, it's pretty clean.
Hey, look at the interior.
Let's see.
Look how clean it is, bro.
That's a 01? Yeah, it's a 01, baby. I already knew. It's clean.
Complimentary hot water, bro. For when I'm thirsty in the hot weather, bro. Hot water, bro. Good looking out.
How that was the front end. Looks. That shit look mean with this bumper. The intercooler is exposed as fuck. But right now we're heading to Gus's to work on Rob's shit. So we going there right now. So we at Gus's, and is that Rob? You ugly. Look at your ugly ass chain, bro. That shit fake as fuck. I see some green on your neck.
How dare you? Mama.
Wait, you guys, someone in the comments asked for LS content. We got some LS right here. We got some LS content right here, guys.
As you see, bro, this is an LS 400, bro. Of the LS's, bro. We got some white ass wheels, bro. What are these called, bro?
These are emotions.
Those
I don't know which ones though.
You feel me? As you see, we scrape them all day, every day, bro. Cause we like it low, bro. What are you talking about?
Oh yeah, then Gus got some. He did some clear tailies.
All that.
Struggle of taking a wheel off.
Good car, homie.
One camber is life, brother.
Can you grab my keys and I'll put it in neutral?
Yes, sir.
Camber problems, brother. Oh, look at this fancy. Record that. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I said this fool look cute, bro. I want to see it, bro.
We're cracked.
Did you really? Oh, fuck. Oh, my lord.
Let go of the brake.
Oh, that's fresh.
Huh?
That's our thing right there. Take it.
Huh? You want it, Papa?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
Put it in park.
Yeah, can you stop? Can you do me a favor? You see that wheel over there? The one that's sitting on top of a box?
Yeah.
Give me the first box underneath it.
I look-key thought that was Dallas. I was like, I thought he don't drive that on the street, bro.
Yeah, that metal shit broke. The one I made you for the key with the ring.
Oh no, I closed my trunk on my keys.
Oh, and it broke? Or like
No, and I had to like tear it apart to get the key out.
That's a no.
Oh, like check out Rob's new seat.
Oh yeah, I seen that shit, bro. That shit gas. This is what we came for? Where the wheels at? Where the wheels at?
Where are the wheels?
Where the wheels, Rob? That's my boy, bro.
Prisma
Sheesh, we
seats,
got the
boy.
Prisma seats, bro. Can't really tell.
Look. Disclaimer of authenticity.
That's that real deal, bro. That's that real trail feel. In the back, bro, got that.
Hey, don't forget.
Come on, oh, bro, come on.
I hooked my boy up with the perp.
The perp, bro.
You know, the
Cause
perp.
we perp gang out here, bro.
Yeah, cause
Perp gang.
purple.
But when I ask for perp, he don't give me shit.
Cause he don't like you, bro.
Yo, fuck that purple bucket seat, bro. Check this bucket seat out, bro.
Sheesh.
By safety first.
Safety, bro.
You already
Safety,
know, bro.
bro.
Hey, take a seat, Jerry. Sit in this shit.
You know, right here, bro. It's all good, bro. I just-
Bro, it Fred perfect for you, bro.
He's right there, bro. Hey, yo, Rob, my man's looking for you, bro.
So take those two out. You can tell constantly use his gun.
Come on, give me the gun.
I know if I take a hit.
Was that a half? Could you use your gun?
That shit look like some shit out of Horton Here's a Who, bro. Or like some Dr. Seuss shit. I'm sorry, BB.
Anything that's
Are you putting that crash bar in too?
I don't know if there's like,
Oh, it's not electric, right?
no.
It's not an electric chair?
Not
It should
that
pop off.
Shit underneath, I don't know.
That shit pops off. It's out. Look, there you go, bro.
Take that port out.
What was it?
Is there any like airbag things on it?
Fat ass airbag, bro.
Ash Boston.
I'm glad we got that box. Unless can we eat it out through the side back or no?
You could probably eat it through the back, bro. Just lean it all the way back.
Let me get out there.
Bro, get out the fucking car, bro. Let me get a different angle, bro.
Ready? We're gonna pick it up. Wait.
I can't see shit.
Oh, shit.
Here, let's see you go through the back. Yeah. I think the back door is smaller. Dude, how come this don't come out?
Doesn't it got a thing? How you feeling, bro? I'll go fuck myself.
Yeah, that's it's like a safety thing.
We need some light, bro.
Sure we do. Alright, put this bitch in.
Hey, we ready to go, bro?
No, put it in so I can see if it's
Let's see if it actually fits.
for like his like to my life.
Gotta get up, bro. I've been sitting down. I gotta get up, bro.
This way?
Yeah. Yeah. Put back. Record. Right. All right. Go ahead. Sit in. How's that? Yeah?
Oh, my bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want it higher or is that perfect right there? You like driving low?
Okay.
No. We only doing this once. Do you want it high?
He said we're doing this shit once, bro. One time only.
Or do you want to be low?
Your wheel doesn't go lower? Put in the
That's what I'm saying. I can't for this, bro.
The cameraman came all late.
Bro, this is your job, bro. I'm over here helping you out. You ain't even paying me, bro.
Hold this.
He's calling me Mexican, bro.
Shine light up here.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, fuck. Hold on. Give me the shit.
Chill, bro.
Make sure everything's tight. So it don't fly out.
It's the gas and flies back, bro. Kind as fuck, bro. Put it in.
Look at the Allen keys. What? Allen keys.
Quick little tutorial
Allen keys.
on how to, put a belt on another seat. You know what I mean, bro? And that's how you do it, bro. That's all it is to it.
Honestly, we should just chop this off because.
Nah, bro, it's important.
Fuck no!
What
Not
you
anymore.
mean?
He ain't gonna use this shit.
It's gonna tell you. That's when it tells you when the seatbelt's connected, bro.
Exactly. Fuck all that. Oh, bro, his shit gonna new cars, bro. They probably beep
Would they really?
because.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying, dog.
But you can't use it. It's aftermarket now.
Hey, bro, you have to live with the beat, bro.
Test your seatbelt. Test your seatbelt. Wash it out. I can't get out.
It's in, bro. It's in there like swimwear, bro.
They're like a swimmer. Now we got to do the bracket.
Step one, done.
That one at time.
Man, bro, it's just like shove my. Can't say it, bro.
Say it, bro. You scared we're gonna get demonetized? This guy's scared of YouTube, bro. Hey, how does it feel to be scared of YouTube? Alright, fuck this guy.